Hi everyone, and welcome to the first ever episode of Tuesday Teardown. And what we're going to be doing on the show is essentially looking at websites that are submitted by you guys. I'm going to look at them from my point of view in terms of what's good and what could be improved to essentially help the website generate more business, whether that's more leads, more sales, or whatever the main point of the website is. So today's website is bessiehaysbridalboutique.co.uk. Let's jump straight into the site. Cool. So looking at the site straight away, there's a few general points that I've seen. So it's flagged as not secure, so it doesn't have what's called an SSL certificate. So these are generally fairly cost effective to purchase. And the reason they're good is because it means Google will flag your website as with a padlock, so it marks it secure. It's also a ranking factor for your SEO, and it just gives people confidence it's a secure site. Another thing I did see was the page speed on the website could use a bit of improvement. So this is Google Page Speed Insights. So on a mobile view, it's saying that it takes about 4.3 seconds to load the first bit of content. Desktop, it's not too bad. It's not too bad there at all. So it actually gives you on Google Page Speed Insights some tips there, what you can actually do to the website itself to get things sped up. Speed is good, because it means that your people are likely to not bounce off your homepage, and they're more likely to spend some time on your website if it loads nice and quick and not head to a competitor. All right, so looking at the general desktop view, it doesn't look too bad at all. You've got a clear navigation, clearly summarizes what the website's about, and you've got a call to action to book an appointment. We scroll down a bit, you've got a fair bit of content here. You've got some links through to other pages on the website, some information, quite a lot of text. So this text could probably be done with some breaking up, maybe imagery, videos. And again, the design at the bottom here could probably be formatted a little bit nicer, just so it flows a bit better. But yeah, looking at the top section, not too bad. I probably had some what's called social proof anywhere around here. So what I mean by that is some client reviews or testimonials or accreditations, just to give people confidence that the brand is trusted. And I probably had another call to action, at least one more towards the bottom. It's giving people the option to get in touch, give them a call, or request an appointment. So looking at the mobile view, we flip to mobile here. A general point is, as you scroll, both mobile and desktop, I'd make the menu sticky so it just stays to the top. And I'd also probably put the phone number in there so people can easily click the phone number, or at least get an appointment button or a book an appointment button like we've got in the desktop, just on the mobile, so people can easily click that and go to the contact page. If we head to one of the inner pages, so we can see that they're spread out with some text and images. Again, I probably add a nice call to action, so you've just got buttons, at least before you scroll, on the content side of things, just so you can easily book appointment. No matter what page you decide to go on, you've easily got the option to click through and get that appointment booked. And if we flick to the contact page itself, all fairly clear. So you've got the address, the phone number there. You've got the option to fill in a form, which is nice, short and sweet. So you can just put your name, email, message, and get that sent off. And that's pretty much it. I mean, just small tweaks to the mobile view, to the page speed, call to actions, adding some social proof, improving the design formatting. Just these kind of things are going to make the chance of conversion, the chance of generating leads, which is what this website's about, booking appointments, just improve a little bit. So that's my initial overview. Thanks very much for watching. And if there's a website that you'd like me to review on next week's Tuesday Teardown, let's hear it below in the comments. Thanks very much.